Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna talk about how to make a trend video for your design by using 3D Max and After Effects. So let's get started. Here we have a bathroom scene, and what we're gonna do with it is a simple animation. Don't panic, it's just a simple animation. Just follow the steps and you will be okay. First of all, we're gonna move our objects by order, starting with these wall elements. After selecting the objects, click on Add a keyframe and go to frame 1 in your timeline by scrolling Animation tab. And let's move the added key to frame 20. After that, click on Auto button on your timeline and move the selected objects behind the camera. And go crazy with it, like move it up, down, rotate, whatever you want. Select another object, go to frame 30 in your timeline and click on Add keyframe. Go back to frame 10 and do the same process, move it behind the camera and go crazy with it. If you noticed, it takes 20 frames for each object. For example, first one we made it from 1 to 20, second one from 10 to 30, and third one from 20 to 40, and so on. The further you move the object, the longer it takes to appear in your camera. After you finish all the objects, Open your camera and go to the frame 1. Click on play or move the timeline slowly to see the masterpiece you have created. To export your masterpiece, click on plus icon on the top left corner. Create preview animation. Here, type in where your animation ends. Check shapes, match your viewport style, choose where to save the animation as a PNG. In After Effects, go to Import, File, select all the images and check the PNG sequence box. Right-click, New Comp, from Selection, go to Composition Setting and extend the time 1 second. Import the rendered image from the same camera in the animation and uncheck the PNG sequence box. Adjust the image appearance in your timeline where your animation ends. Select the image and animation, right-click and choose Recompose, then OK. Select the Recompose, click S on your keyboard to do a scale animation by adding keyframe in the end, keyframe in the beginning, but with 120%. Click space and watch your masterpiece come alive. To export your work as a video, from File, choose Export, Add to Render. Click on Lossless, change AVI to QuickTime and OK. Choose where you want to save your file and hit Render. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Tell us what you think about this video in the comments. And again, thanks for watching.